Welcome to the SourceGeek Onboarding tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through how to create a campaign to grow your network. First, go to Campaigns and click Add Campaign. In Step 1, set your campaign goal. For this tutorial, we want to grow our network with potential future candidates, so we'll choose Promote a Message and then click Next. In Step 2, add your contacts. You can import them directly from LinkedIn, Talent Pool, your favorite ATS, or upload a CSV file. In this example, we'll import contacts from a recruiter search URL. The import time depends on the number of contacts you've selected, but on average, it takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Once your list is ready, click Next. In Step 3, under Create Messages, SourceGeek automatically generates a draft message for you. You can easily adjust and customize it to match your style. And that's it. Your campaign is now ready to launch and start reaching your audience.